time is Major General Amitabh Joshi, Global Strategic and Defense Expert. Also joining us on the show is Pathikrit Pine, Geopolitical Expert. Mr. Sumit Peer, Senior Political Commentator, with us on the platform as well. Last but by no means the least, Ambassador Bhaspati Mukherjee, former diplomat, joins us on the program as well. Ambassador Mukherjee, it has happened. Operation Sindoor has transpired. India has struck, and India has struck strategically. Sindoor, of course, signifies all those people. It pays homage to all those men, all those husbands who were killed barbarically by those terrorists on the 22nd of April. This has been India's response, and this has been India's strategy as well. Though Pakistan has responded, but that response is only on social media so far, ma'am, where they are peddling fake news about downing Indian jets, about making India regret, and by sounding off that they are not fearful of the situation, but they are intrepid in this point in time as well. Your thoughts, ma'am, on what's really happened here and how India, for the first time, has set an example and sent a very strong message to Pakistan by striking these 9 terror hotspots. You know, India has struck Pakistan in the past as well, but it's never been this big, it's never been this enormous, and it's never come at a price that Pakistan is going to pay.
You're absolutely right. India has struck in a resolute manner, without anger, rancor, in a manner to take revenge. That's why it's called Operation Sindoor, to remember all those women whose Sindoor was wiped out when their husbands were shot dead in front of them. And these Pakistani generals thought that India will never respond. They were making fun of us on social media for the last 4 or 5 days, if you noticed. And now, with nothing else to fall back on, they are falling back on the most ridiculous fake news, which they are then being obliged to retract because of their own social media, which is making fun of them. You've had the Pakistani defense minister retract. You've had the spokesperson retract. First they were talking about Indian POWs, they've retracted. The point here is that we have struck the terror bases. We are not a cowardly nation. We have not killed any civilians. We have killed terror bases, and we have bombed those places which were hiding out the terrorists. In the process, we have also wiped out, I believe, the family members of the mastermind of 9/11. And I, for one, am very happy that even though we've not been able to kill the mastermind, we've been able to target his relatives who are all in it with him. And now they are threatening retribution. Well, we are ready. We are waiting. If they try to escalate, we will escalate further. So I don't know whether it is just posturing or not, but we have demonstrated that this is the new Bharat, that is India under Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and we will act with resolve. And when we act, we think carefully. We first began with one slew of measures, which was suspending the Indus Waters Treaty and the diplomatic measures. Then we went with the second round of measures, and this is where we have established that we have taken retribution for what was done to us without any provocation, to kill 27 civilians out on a holiday for pleasure, many of them on their honeymoon, just married for a few days. It makes no sense. It is against all the laws of war, and we have demonstrated that we are more than capable, without any help from anyone, in managing to protect our honor as a nation. We have demonstrated today India has come of age. I am so proud of being an Indian today.
So are we, ma'am. General Joshi, in fact,